ECN Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Robert Clayton. The Australian dollar last week showed a daring challenge above that 77 level after printing a high of 77.22 and rejects the level at 77.30. From Friday's heavy decline down towards 75.96 has seen a modest bounce, however technically it's not supportive. On the day I'm looking for a range away from 77 cents down towards 76.35 and lower down towards 75.85. It is viewed a break of 75.85, then this will open away towards 73.90 and reassess from there. In the event that we do break above the level seen at 77.30, then this would see a move up towards 77.80 to 78.85, but at this stage I view this not to occur and still keep to the bear trend. The euro dollar for the second time fails above that 114 level, and you can see from Friday that the heavy decline down towards 113.30 now supports a further fall. On the day I expect to see a range of 113.35 to 114.30, and it will be where a break of 112.40 to open way towards 110.50. A break of 110.50 would see further decline, but that probably won't happen until later on in the week or maybe next. So the range I'm looking for today will be 113.35 and, as I say, lower to 112.40. Viewing sterling, weakness has still continued, even though the attempt of last week of the break of 143.50 did get it a high of 144.60, but fails. From the heavy decline on Friday and viewing the hourly, we can see that the market is still very much in a downward pattern, and I view a fall towards support holding at 141.60 and then lower down towards 140.40. It's only viewed a break of 140.40 that the level will see a move deeper towards 136 the figure. On the day, however, I see a range of 141.60 to 142.60. Dollar yen, even though we did see quite a modest rise last week, did post a very weak day on Thursday and continued on Friday, and now seeing a further weakness into the start of this week. However, towards 111.30 I do anticipate market to return and defend this level and see a correction and rise back towards that 112 area. However, if we see a fall under 111.30, then this will give room towards 110.50 before demand will return. However, I view this as unlikely, so I'm looking for a range of 111.30 to 112.20 on the day. Finishing up on gold, well, this market is still struggling to try and rally, and you can see from Friday's heavy decline, fell through that level of 112.20 and got to a low around that to retest that low of 112.08. What is noticeable now, if you look at the dailies, that we've got a downtrend that comes in at 112.36, and as you can see, if you draw that in, clearly supports the market to move lower. I'm looking for a fall from 112.16 down towards 112.02 to the figure and lower down towards 1,190. That's the key level, because if we go through that level 1,190, that would open way back towards around about 1,160. On the day, I expect to see resistance come back in, any challenge towards the high 20s to be capped, and as I say, that downtrend holds at 1,236. So on the day, I expect to see further weakness in the Australian dollar down towards 76.35 to 75.85 with 77.30 capping. Euro to remain weak and any up challenge above 114 to fail. Dollar yen looking for a bounce from the low 111 region. Sterling to be weaker towards a target of 141 to 140.40, and as I say, gold to look to break down further. Thank you for listening and have a good day.